What's up? Let's fix it, crew. So today we have this air fryer. It used to work, but now it's not working anymore. So let's see the problem with it and if we can fix it. Yeah, well, kind of dirty, but anyway, we're gonna clean it afterwards. So let's see how best we could fix it. Let me put the camera here. Give me a minute. Let's see how best we couldn't fix it. Okay, put the camera there. Okay, so this is it, right? Okay, let's see. So when we plug it here, what's supposed to come on? As you can see, nothing is coming on. No light, nothing. So technically it tells me there's an electrical issue, all right? So let's see what the electrical issue is. So let's unplug it. Let's open up and see what electrical issue here. Turn the back from seats back. Okay, so let's unplug it and see what we got here. Okay, let's see our tools, what we got here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, and as we do this, I also tell you to search on YouTube for Ball is Live, Fly with +233 on YouTube. You're gonna see all the videos, and please like and subscribe to this channel. And let's go the fan page. You all love or hate none. Let's do this. So yeah, we got the screws out. We're gonna have to keep the screws very well. Open them. Okay. Otherwise, it looks good. I don't see any disconnection whatsoever. It looks good here. Okay, so this is good. Okay, cool. Adjust the camera a little bit. Okay, so let's see. The device, it looks good, pretty good.